Good morning, welcome to Rachel's Wake and Bake. This morning I'll be making sourdough chocolate chip cookies. So the first thing I'm going to do is, on medium heat, I'm going to add my 1 cup of butter. Okay, so we're going to cook our butter until it browns and has nutty specks at the bottom, approximately 5 to 8 minutes. So once your butter has browned, we're going to set aside and let cool to room temperature. This is what your butter should look like. Okay, I'm going to mix my dry ingredients. I'm going to begin with 2 3/4 cups of flour, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, and 3/4 teaspoon of salt. And we're just going to set that aside. Okay, so once your butter has cooled to room temperature, we are going to add it to a bowl. We want all these little bits in there. That's what gives it its nutty flavor. So that was 1 cup of butter to 1 cup of brown sugar and 2/3 cup of white sugar, granulated sugar. And we're just going to mix that together until our mixture is fluffy. Okay, so now I'm going to add 1 egg plus 2 yolks, 2/3 cup of sourdough discard, and 2 teaspoons of vanilla. And we're just going to mix that together. Okay, now that it's all blended together, we're going to add our dry ingredients. Mix it. I'm going to add about 2 cups of chocolate chips. And then I have a few Smarties I'm going to add just for color. And also I'm going to add some pecans. And I'm just going to mix that together. This until they're folded in. And then now I'm just going to cover, and we're going to refrigerate for about 30 to 60 minutes. Okay, it's been an hour. I took my dough out, and I'm just going to put parchment paper on my baking sheet. And I'm just going to take my cookie scoop. Now we're going to preheat our oven to 350. We're just going to place our cookies. I'll place them about 2 inches apart here. So these baked for about 11 minutes. We'll let them cool for approximately 10 minutes on the pan, and then we will put them on the rack to fully cool.